In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to choose your fonts in Adobe Illustrator. So first, I'm going to go ahead and choose my type tool, click to create my type. So I'm just going to type in my name. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight this text, and I can choose my fonts over here. And you do have some fonts that are built into your computer, but you have many more options through Adobe, and you can access them in two ways. One, you can choose Find More here, and then this will eventually get all of the fonts that Adobe has on offer, and you can scroll through them. There are, however, a lot of fonts. It takes a second to load, as we are seeing, and they are arranged in alphabetical order, so it will take a while to get to fonts that don't start with A. So another great way to find fonts is to actually go to the Adobe Fonts website, and we'll go to that in a second. But if we want to activate one of these fonts, we can click on it, and then we'll see that click the activate icon to add to your font, and that is clicking on the little cloud symbol, and we'll then ask if I want to activate it, and I will say yes. And it will take a second to activate depending on your connection. Now, what I find a nicer way to use is to actually go to Safari or to your web browser and go to fonts.adobe.com, because they have all the same fonts here. You can type in sample type. Again, I'm going to type in my name, and then you can choose your fonts based off of tags. Right? So if I want a clean font, I can go find clean fonts. If I want something that is geometric, I can look at those, and of course there is going to be some overlap here. If I want something that is calligraphic or cursive, right, I have those options. And then if I find a font that I like, right, I'm just going to use this first one here, which is actually already activated. So I'll use the second one, this Pauline font. I can click View Family. And then if I decide I like the font family, and that's regular, oblique, bold, and different fonts will have different amounts of options here. But when I see that, I can click Activate for Fonts, and then once that is successful, I should be able to go back to Illustrator, and I should be able to then find Pauline in my cache of fonts over here. So I'm just going to scroll down until I try to find it. And there might be sometimes, here it is right here, but there might be sometimes where it will take, again, a little while. But now I have that new font selected.